Good morning, everyone. Welcome to all of you in the home mentoring session from DSD Vidya School. Myself, Ritu Mittal, mathematics teacher. Students, today we are going to start the next chapter, that is chapter number 2, relations and function. It is very important topic, so listen it carefully. Now let me come on the topic. Relations and function. These are basically two topics, relation and the other topic is the functions. But before coming on the relations and function, we have to come on the topic Cartesian product of sets. As all of you know about the sets, all of you know about the different types of sets and different forms of set, everything you know about in the first chapter. So now let me come on the next topic, that is Cartesian product of sets. So I am just explaining you this. Now we have suppose a set A who is having the two colors and set B having a three object. Let's take an example. Set A, it is having two color, one is red, other is blue, and the set B, it is having three object, that is B, C and S. Now where B and C and S represent a particular bag, coat and shirt. Now we have to make the pairs between A and B. So how can we make the pair between these two? So with the red we can use B, red with C and red with S. In the similar way, blue with B, blue C and blue S. So here we can see that there are 6 distinct objects we can form. So this is known as the Cartesian product. Basically Cartesian product is that when we have a two non-empty set like P and Q, then the Cartesian product of P and Q is the ordered pair of element from P and Q. This is the ordered pair. Like in this example here, this is the ordered pair. So this is known as the Cartesian product. Now let me come on the next. If we have a two ordered pair are equal, if and only if the corresponding first element are equal and the second element are also equal. Right? This is the point, just note it down. Now the second is that if there are P elements in A and Q elements in B, then there will be PQ elements in A and into B. That means if A के पास अगर P नंबर ऑफ एलिमेंट है, B के पास Q नंबर ऑफ एलिमेंट है और हमने इन दोनों का प्रोडक्ट किया, प्रोडक्ट करने के बाद जो टोटल नंबर ऑफ एलिमेंट होंगे वो कितने होंगे, P इंटू Q. Third is that A and B are non-empty set and either A or B is an infinite set, then so is A into B. अगर A और B दोनों non-empty set हैं, A और B में से कोई भी infinite set है तो A क्रॉस B भी क्या हो जाएगा, infinite set होगा. नेक्स्ट इज A क्रॉस A मीन्स हमने A को 3 टाइम्स मल्टीप्लाई किया. हियर A B C इज कॉल्ड एन ऑर्डर्ड ट्रिपलेट, तो हम इनको क्या बोलेंगे, ट्रिपलेट्स बोलेंगे. चलिए लेट वी कम ऑन द एग्जाम्पल, दैट इज एग्जाम्पल नंबर 1. हियर आई एम एक्सप्लेनिंग द एग्जाम्पल ऑल्सो. द फर्स्ट एग्जाम्पल इज x प्लस 1 y माइनस 2 दैट इज इक्वल टू 3 1. इट मीन इज दैट ये इक्वेशन इसके इक्वल गिवन है. नाउ वी हैव टू फाइंड आउट x एंड y, हमें x और y की वैल्यू निकालनी है. तो हाउ कैन वी डू, अब x प्लस 1 को हमने इसके इक्वल दिया हुआ है तो x प्लस 1 3 के इक्वल हो जाएगा एंड y माइनस 2 1 के इक्वल हो जाएगा. तो x प्लस 1 दैट विल बी इक्वल टू 3 एंड y माइनस 2 इट विल बी इक्वल टू 1. आफ्टर सॉल्विंग इट वी गेट x इक्वल टू 2 एंड y इक्वल टू 3. आई होप दैट ऑल ऑफ यू गेट क्लियर.